you're new here, hello, my name is Winnie, like Winnie the Pooh. I do all things plus size fashion, body positivity, and all around good vibes. If you are here for it, do not forget to turn on my post notifications so that you are updated whenever I upload a video. Today I just thought I'd film a weekend in my life. I feel like I've never filmed like consecutive days, and I just thought it'd be fun to bring you guys along on my weekend and what I get up to, even though I don't get up to anything. I'm about to go with my sister to pick up a quilt that she found on Facebook Marketplace. She asked me to go with her, so I'm about to hop in the car and go with her to pick that up. Okay, so we are currently on the way to meet up with this guy for this quilt. My sister has to get some money out because honestly no one carries cash anymore. That's just kind of the way it is, you know. It's kind of wild. We're parked in a Publix because she's gonna use the what are these called? What are these machines called? ATM. Yes. Also, like, I know this right here, guys, I've been having the worst breakouts and it's just not fun. Oh god, this guy's coming and he's looking at me. Oh no. Oh, is he looking at me? Oh, I thought he was telling me to move my car. He like pulled up. Oh my god, I was like, I don't know how to. My sister parked somewhere where it literally says pick up and drop off only, no parking. So I got a new ring light because my last ring light broke. I've had that one for like 5 years now. Ooh, I'm out of breath. This is the ring light. It is so much more different than the one that I had before this one, but I guess it will do the trick. It comes with these little like pop on and off screens that sit over the lighting right here. Whoa, that's bright, but it works. How do I look? It looks good though. The lighting looks good. Okay, I get super excited about stuff like this. I wanted to show you guys what I got from Kroger. I know, you didn't know, but now you know that Kroger has some really good hair care products and they always have them on sale. So this was only $5.49 and this is the Mixed Chicks Kids Tangle Tamer. Mixed Chicks normally is like $12 or $13. So I got this for $5.49. Can't wait to try it out. And I love stuff like this for me and Marley's hair because my hair is really curly and so is Marley's hair. So I always go to that section, L section. They have a whole bunch of items for like super cheap and I always find really good hair care products there. So that's just a tip for you guys. I'm just really feeling like I should do a face mask right now. I have a couple of face masks and I still haven't used them yet. I have these here. I have the Sephora eye masks, these ones. And then I also have the purple clay mask. This is for moisturizing and smoothing. Can you guys see that? There we go. We're really close to my face.
Walking downtown and I'm okay.
Hot. Hot. Wow, really hot. You guys can look at me like this. Hey Siri, set an alarm for 15 minutes.
The alarm is set for 1:31 p.m.
Thanks, girl. Good morning. It is a new day. It is a new day to be productive and get shit done, which is what I am planning on doing today. I hope I vlogged enough yesterday. Honestly, I feel like I didn't. Okay, so I cooked a quick breakfast. Well, this is what I call a quick breakfast, but I cooked a sausage, hash browns, and a fried egg. And then I have my coffee here and then a cup of juice here. I always go all out on breakfast because I want to really be like nourished so I don't have to stop and eat, honestly, when I'm on the go or when I'm filming stuff. So I always make a really good breakfast. I'm done with breakfast, which was really good. I really enjoyed that. And now I think before I get dressed, because I definitely am going to get dressed today, put on makeup, blah blah blah, I am going to go ahead and do my Depop drop. And if you guys don't know what my Depop drops are, they're basically just like I go through my closet, pick items that I'm just like, I don't think I'm gonna wear that, and I post them on my Depop, and like 90% of them are new. Okay, so this is the first item that I'm going to be posting on my Depop. It is this really cute pencil skirt with the astrological vibe signs going on here with a cute little slit right here. And it is a size 2XL. So this is going up on my Depop. I think that it is super cute. This is the next item that I'm putting on my Depop. It is just this matching set from Shein. It comes with this really cute crossover tie-up crop top, so it ties up in the back, and then the shorts are the matching shorts. They're floral print and they're high-waisted. They're super cute and super flowy. The next item is this really cute yellow pencil skirt. It has some really cute daisies on it. It's a really stretchy material, and it has this really cute slit right here. It is from the brand Shein. It's super stretchy, so although it is a 2XL, I feel like it could fit even bigger, but the skirt is so freaking cute. Next is this cute little butterfly crop top. I love crop tops. I'm obsessed with them. So this one is super cute. It has the monarch butterfly on it, and it's just a basic black simple crop top. Next top is this really cute frilly summer daisy top. It is so cute. It has this little tie-up right here. It has tie-ups at the shoulder area, and then this cute little frilly detail right here. I feel like this is a really cute summer dress. I love the color of it. And then I have another cute little crop top. This one, it says Devil Child on it, and it's really cute. The thing I like about these crop tops is they have adjustable straps, so you can kind of make them as cropped as you want or as longer as you want. But this is a really cute pink color. It's super cute and super comfy. I think it's perfect for summer. Crop tops are a go-to for summer, so I'm posting that on my Depop. It's been about 45 minutes, and I've gotten everything posted on my Depop. So if you guys are interested, I'll put it down in the description box. But I finally got everything posted the drop I wanted to do today. I'm gonna show you guys. So this is my Depop. You edit your shop on a laptop, so on a desktop. You can't edit it like this on your phone. But here's some of the items. I just lay them on a flat lay and take the picture. And yeah, that's my shop right now. Okay, hi guys, what is up? Checking back in after a little bit. I finished my makeup and put some jewelry on, and I needed to actually take a picture for this brand, Nasty Gal. They did send me a couple of items. I'm actually done with that now, but I'm gonna go ahead and try to fit in as many pictures as I possibly can. So I'm gonna take a couple more so that I have them throughout the week. This is normally what I do. I batch, like take content or film or take pictures just so throughout the week I can be posting and be consistent. Guys, when I tell you that I have been obsessed with Shein, I'm not lying. This is the cutest bikini ever. I am so obsessed with it, honestly. I feel like the coloring right here is not doing this justice, but it is this really pretty, like classic red color. Oh my God, I'm so obsessed. I don't know if you guys can hear me, but I came here for accessories and they don't have a lot here. They have a lot of scarves here though. A lot of different scarves, which is kind of cool. Hi guys, I made it home finally from the thrift store, and I didn't think I was gonna find anything, but then I went in there and really started like looking actively, and I found some really cute things. At least I think so, so I'm gonna show you. So the very first item is this really cute 90s inspired green little crop top. I just really liked this. I mean, on most people it wouldn't be a crop top, but this is a size medium, and on me it is a crop top, so I just thought it'd be super cute and fun. I just picked up this really big 3X oversized blue t-shirt. It's basically like a dress on me. I also picked up this really cute like extra large striped oversized shirt. Honestly, I feel like I could crop these and make them look really cute and fashionable and like kind of, you know, like that 90s inspired look. They had the same shirt but in a different color, so it's just this really cute striped green color. It's like a mint green color. I love mint. I know a lot of people think mint is gross, but I love mint. It's just this really cute purple soda sweater top. I really like it just because it's the color. I really just like the color. I probably am 100% going to crop this. And then I'm not even 100% sure if I can fit this, but then I picked up this really cute pink little vest thing going on here. I don't even know what size it is. I just thought that it would be a really cute crop top. It's like my favorite item in the whole entire haul. I don't know why, but it's just this little striped long sleeve top. It's super stretchy and it just reminds me of the 90s. I really love the whole 90s vibe. It is the end of the vlog. You are a real one. Thank you so much for watching. comment a planet emoji. And if you do not have the planet emoji, that is okay. Simply commenting planet emoji lets me know that you watched my video to the end and you showed the love and support. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you check out all the links in the description box, and I will see you guys in the next video. Mwah! Bye.